This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by David Davis. Don't miss this 5-year-old house with recently installed pool and brand new screen enclosure. The house has a 4-bed/3-bath French Country Coquina floor plan on one of the largest lots in the secluded Meadowgrove community. Centrally located between Tampa and Lakeland/Orlando, this lovely home sits on a 85x125 fence lot with extended 2-car garage. As you enter the home, you'll find a spacious den/study area, adjacent to bed number 4 that can serve as an in-law suite, with large walk-in closet and full bath with walk-in shower. Greatroom floor plan is wide open with 12 feet 3 slider to lanai/patio/pool area. The gourmet kitchen does not disappoint. Kitchen features 42 inches cabinets west/crown, quartz countertops, large center island with seating and modern hanging lighting, built-in microwave and oven, cooktop and range hood vented to outside, tile backsplash, Whirlpool 4-door refrigerator and large pantry. Dining area is situated perfectly for an open flow to kitchen and greatroom and can accommodate a large table. All main living areas/wet areas featured nice-looking ceramic tile. Bedrooms and den are carpeted. 3-way split floor plan with large beds number 3 and number 4 at rear of home, each with their own walk-in closet with easy access to bath number 2 and tub/shower combination. Primary suite is nice size and features tray ceiling, full ensuite bath, with upgraded tile/listello, dual sinks, garden tub and walk-in shower. Additional upgrades include 8 feet doors throughout, laundry room with built-in sink, washer/dryer is also included, water softener, surround sound in greatroom, full gutter wrap on exterior of home, brick pavers in the patio and driveway. Yard is great size with established landscaping and artificial turf. This community has no CDD, low HOA and irrigation system on reclaimed water. This will not last long. Make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below.